Okay, in my last review, I didn't understand the helmet. I had to do some research on it to understand how the helmet works because the instructions that came with it wasn't clear. I think it only had instructions for the helmet somewhat and not the remote, so I thought the remote was broken. So the first thing that I noticed, like I said last time, my last video, they had this charging somewhat port here, so I thought it was a charger in there, but what it actually is you have to open this up. You have to separate these two, where the gray is, and put a battery in there, or check the battery or something. So it wasn't working either way last time, so I thought it was broken. I thought it was like fake or something, but it wasn't. This is just what confused us, because this is usually for a charging port. There's no charging port for this. It's just a battery that you change. So you press the button to turn the helmet on. Wasn't doing this yesterday, but I also found out that certain features on the helmet won't work unless you're in the dark. So I was in the light yesterday, and none of these are working. The light is not working because we're in a dimmer room. But the remote now works with it. Press left, press right, press LED. It gives you the different options for the red light. Only issue that I do have with it now is I don't understand why there's one blue light on one side and not the other. Maybe it went out or something. Either way, I could deal with that, and I'd rather keep the helmet now because of that. And also, like I said, everything is working on it now. So, changed my review to 4 stars. The only thing that I had a problem with it is, like I said, I don't understand why one blue light was out. The Bluetooth is pretty good, but I think it could be a little louder. But like I said, it's good enough for what it is right now. It's my only issue with it. It could be a little louder. And the controls for the Bluetooth and the controls for the helmet are separate. So all the controls for the Bluetooth are on the side of the helmet. And the helmet can be controlled by the button on the back by clicking or using the remote. So there you go.
everybody. I'm unboxing my ILM helmet. This helmet is one of the few helmets that actually comes in a double extra large size because I have a really big head. These helmets are NTA 8776 certified, and that means it's rated to protect riders up to 28 miles an hour. So it's great for people that own Class 3 e-bikes or anybody who wants an extra measure of protection, which I want an extra measure of protection, so that's why I got it. Um, I feel that it's a high quality helmet. Um, I'm actually wearing it right now. Let me take it off. And you can see here that it has a very nice uh, profile. It has that wind shield, which should come in handy. Then it has a front headlight and a rear light. One of the cool things about this rear light is that when you turn it on, if you kind of tilt your head real quick, it should indicate that you're making a left turn or a right turn. It's kind of cool. I'll show that to you a little later on, but I just wanted to get it out of the box and show you real quick how it looks. And it's actually kind of looks, someone online said it looks like something out of Starship Troopers, and I kind of tend to agree, but it looks really cool. It's got this really cool blast shield, and it also comes with a couple of accessories. So if you want to take the shield off, it has a device that lets you plug these holes. And it actually, you can order extra clear shield or a tinted one online.
First mode, second mode, front is still bright. Press the button again, there's the third mode. Front is still bright. And off. Right now I'm charging the Bluetooth because when I tried to charge it before, no lights ever came on. And now that I did the return, I pushed the charger cord in as far as I could possibly get it, and the charge light finally came on. And I have to have it against something to hold it in there, so that's why it's sitting the way it is. I had it laying down and it wouldn't stay in, so I had to stand it up and push it against something, and it's pushing it against the bed right now, so that's how it's charging. But I'm only sending it back because it's too small. I have a 7¼ head, so I need to have the next size up, not the small medium, but the medium large. So if that helps you at all, that's it. Have a good day.
bike helmet today from Amazon.
Oh, we made it! We're finally gonna get home! Oh no, these facts and opinions look so similar.
And it turns on. Visor works. Kind of tight.
Scale 1 to 10, I give this thing
But
an
other than that, look, it's good. Sorry if there's I'm watching a movie. But anyways, looks good. Peace. I'd buy it again. And the blinkers work.
Emotions can't quit, genius.
Beep, beep, boop, boop.